Hey folks, April 24th. Spring is in full gear. Let's take a look at the lawn, see what it looks like. I applied Milorganite about a few weeks ago, and one of my first impressions about it is that it really greened up quite a bit. So let's take a look at the lawn. So I have the height now. I'm cutting around 4 inches right now. So this is the height that I'm gonna be cutting all summer long. It's just a few areas right here that are kind of lagging along, and I don't know what's happening in this one corner, but it's been a couple of months. Obviously this part of the grass is quite advanced, and here it's a little lagging along. I don't know if maybe my pre-emergent stunted it or something, but well, we'll just keep an eye on it. And yeah, look at the lawn, look how beautiful it's looking. So today I'm going to mow. It needs a haircut. Blades are about 6 inches long. And my first impressions of tall fescue is I'm really impressed with how much it fills in. And it's an aggressive grower. I'm mowing literally every 3 days. It grows an inch every 3 days. And every time I mow it, it grows, it thickens up, it tillers out. And I'm gonna show you a quick photo of what this looked like in February, just to show you how much it's really thickened up and how much it really darkened up. So this is a month ago. Alright, some other areas that are kind of lagging along right here. I don't know what's happening. I did also spring seeded some areas right here that were bare, a couple areas over there, and I'm constantly watering this. I know you're not supposed to seed in the springtime, but because this is a very heavily shaded area, I'm not too concerned about it. That's gonna get hammered with the sun too much, and I think if I keep it watered, it'll come in. And worst case scenario, it dies and then fall comes and I just seed again. So don't want to look at bare ground. This area right here in February, I'm gonna show a photo right now, there was a lot of spots with missing grass due to fungus issues or dollar spot or just erosion. But as you can see, look how much it filled in. Amazing. I can't even see where it is anymore. So this spot really filled in. This area, because of those trees now filled in with leaves, this area is maybe getting an hour of sunlight a day. So I can tell already that it's starting to thin up a little bit. So we'll keep an eye on it to see what happens towards the end of the year. I may just have to kind of tie this into here and make this a mulched area or rock or something. So I'm gonna let the grass tell me where it's gonna end. So if it ends over here, this is where it ends. Gardenia. This is a hydrangea tree that it's been trained to grow basically like a little bush on top, and then as long as we trim the bottom here, it'll keep getting thicker and thicker and just have like a big ball of flowers at the top. So we'll see what that looks like in a few months. Got strawberries, planted this last year and it's doubled in size. And it's starting to get already some strawberries. So hostas looking great. These are all daylilies, and my wife planted these flowers. Some irises and there's a rose bush. So everything's coming in. Spring is in full gear, and I want to show you something as well. This is a vine gonna show you a photo of it, but it's really beautiful. It looks really alien looking. And over the weekend I added this trellis here. I screwed it onto the concrete, and this will eventually just climb up this trellis, and eventually we are going to make it go this way. So that's looking great as well. All the hostas are in full bloom. Have some ferns here. Hostas right there. So I also updated my lawn roller here. This DIY lawn roller that I made. The other one was too thin, and I wasn't a fan of putting sand inside of it because it'd come out of the holes. So I went for a bigger pipe, and I filled it with marbles, and it's a lot heavier, so it should lay down the turf a lot better. So we're gonna put it to the test today. I'm going to stripe as well. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. All right, guys, time to get mowing. Directly above us right now, so I don't know if you can see the stripes that well from over here. You can a little bit from here. All right, that's it. Sweating like a dog out here. It's not even summer yet, so you know, as the warmer temperatures come, I'm gonna be starting a fungicide program pretty soon here in May. Now that we're getting the warmer temperatures, tall fescue doesn't do that well in the warm temperatures. It's a cool season grass. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that, how to apply fungicide, and from some of the information and knowledge that I've gathered. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like, and hit the notification bell.